Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Power of the Presentation. You have just seen this template, an infographic template where the pencil is flying in from the top and then showing your presentation, your 4-step presentation. I'll explain in detail how I made this PPT template, and it will be available for you free of cost for downloading through the link below. What I will do, I will not spend much time on making the pencil, because these shapes are always available online. I'll speed up the pencil part and then I'll show you a video in normal speed. So still, if you're not able to get the shape, you can just see speed up video how I made the pencil. Okay, so take the shape. You have to make the pencil in the 4 parts, because I have shown 4 different colors. So first shape we'll make. First shape, if you see, it is a little rounded at the bottom, so we'll take 3 shapes, same size shapes, and through the 3D rotation, both the shapes which are there on the both side will change the rotation to make it look like a little in an angle where it shows like 3D image. And then we'll take a rectangle shape. We'll ensure this width and the height remains same for all the shapes. So we'll take 3 shapes again, same size, put the same color. Only thing, both side shapes you have to change the 3D rotation, and then group it and put it on the top of the below shape. We'll repeat this for rest of the 3 shapes, and we'll make it look like pencil color. We're done with the 3 colors. We'll add one more, so you have some issue with the length of the shape, you can correct it. So while making the pencil, you can see, and take the last shape, put the different color here. Now copy and paste it as a image, so you don't have to be worried about the shape changing and all. And then take a triangle shape, put it here, color it like wood color, the way you see in the pencil. You will not have exact same color, but still, since you're putting like a pencil, you put that. And then take the same shape in a smaller size and put it on in the lowest part, and then you're done. Now only thing you left with is the top part. So you take 6-star shape, and again you have to do color change and 3D rotation. You have to make it flat, choose the perspective, this one, and that's it. You put it on the top of this. Adjust the size according to the width of the pencil, and you're done. Okay, so now select all of them together, group it and paste it as image, and you can resize it. So make it look make it the size as per your slide size, and you have to keep in mind that you have to add four shapes to show your presentation. Now we'll add a little effect to it. We'll add the shadow of the pencil. So color, take the shape and color it black. Again 3D rotation you have to change, and then you increase the soft edge size to maybe 64-65 point, and Y rotation also you have to change. This is done. So now we're done with pencil. Now you change the background if you want. If you're taking darker color background of the slide, take the shadow as white, but I always suggest that you take lighter color on this slide and use the darker color for the shadows. Okay, So take lighter color, make it gradient look. It's always good to have gradient where you show different colors on the slide. And take another shape of this size, which can go just behind the pencil, and it should not look like a different shape, so you have to use the same color pattern which is there on the slide. So you choose the two color and then put it like this. I'll use this shape in the animation, because when you make the animation flying from the left, it should show that these are flying under the pencil, so it should not show from the left side. Okay, so now we'll add 4 different shapes. You change the width to the 4 blocks which are there on the pencil, and then put them. Copy paste shape and change the colors of these shapes through eyedropper. Okay. You can change the color like this. And also, after you change the colors, you don't have to keep the size or length of these shapes to remain same. You can change the size and to break the monotony. So you change the size of these shapes. So I'll increase and reduce the size. You make the line as white, and I'll change the length. You can change the length from the format option, and later on you can align them through the format. So this is how you can do. Done. Now you add serial number option, where you can put your serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Add white circle to it and put the numbers. When you add white circle, you can also choose to add shadow, inner shadow. I would suggest take the inner shadow, and then you put your, so it is important that you group them together, otherwise it will make an issue while you do the animation. So you have to have them grouped together. Okay, now you send them back. Okay, so we are done with the work. We can come to the animation part. First for the pencil, flying from the top to bottom, and then the shadow, wiping it from inside to outside. Okay, and then the rest of the shapes, make them all flying from the left, and then you change the timing. So this will start after first, and then all of these will be after previous. Now change the timing to 1 second and make them in smoother end while to 1 second. So it will look like this. Okay, this is our slide. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much.